All right, you guys, we're gonna try an experiment. Okay?
Okay.
So get an expo marker. Okay, any one. Okay. Then what you're gonna do is draw a picture on the plate. You can write your name. You can draw an animal. You can draw a star. Yeah, a little stick guy.
That's what I'm drawing.
Try a couple other things. Just kind of fill up some space.
Okay. The big meteor is coming.
Okay, big meteor.
2 big meteors.
That's going to destroy this guy.
Which are these 2 meteors are working together.
Okay.
Anything else?
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Okay, next, Marcus, slowly pour the water like right here.
On the edge.
Yep, and let it kind of go slowly across the whole plate. Look what's happening. Well, it worked really good with the blue. Oh, the purple's starting. Look it, look it, look it. What?
Oh!
That's funny.
What? And it just wipes off.
Oh, the purple work? It's starting to work. Wonder how come the purple didn't work.
And it just wipes off.
So it has to be something that doesn't like water, right? That's in the expo markers.
Probably.
That's cool.
And then when you catch it out of the water, you could just wipe it. How?
Can we try it with different colors?
Look, I did this. And I just wipe it.
Wait, I got it.
Let's go, let's go.
Jordan!
What? How did I?
Take the water out first.
Do you want me then?
Okay.
What? Can it actually work?
No, stop. Let me...
I just want to try it. Okay, now.
All right, so let's try black. Marcus, what do you think? Okay, so draw your pictures.
Oh man.
Another meteor is
Draw
going to be
something
coming.
cool.
I just want one meteor to be coming.
And mine.
How do you...
A heart.
I'm just gonna... Okay.
But what are you trying to do?
Fishy. Okay, now let's try it.
Slowly.
I'm gonna do it on this edge.
Oh, look at the arms.
Mine's not very big.
No!
Your head's coming off. Look at the fish. The fish is floating off. Too. Look at the fish. The fish is floating totally. Oh, meteor float. That's cool.
No.
Oh, is that fun?
You just... Wait, if I...
It's funny how some of them don't come off.
No.
That's cool.
No.
Try drawing again.
Okay, guys. Now we're using hot. Now we're using.
We were using hot water, well, not hot water. We were using warm water. Now we're going to use cold water.
Big, huge. Wait, I move.
I'm making the thick man.
A big, huge. Giant corn. Gigantic.
Okay, is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gigantic. Oh. Damn!
Did it lift up nice and easy? Guess not too much. I think that was the trick. What do you think? Cold water?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm dying.
Like and subscribe this video.